Hey guys, Fuse1179 here. So I wanted to go over something that was happening with my bike recently where I was able to shift up, but I couldn't shift down. And I was trying to figure out what it was. I thought it was like a clutching issue or anything. I looked online. I asked a couple of friends. No one really knew what the deal was. They just like take it back to the dealership. So ignorant me, or hard-headed, whatever you want to call it, I kept trying to ride the bike because it would shift down every now and again, but it's like you really had to like jam on the shifter. So what ended up happening was I was leaving work, and the bike just wouldn't shift down at all. So I pulled into a gas station. I took a look at it and found out this little part right here was loose. So I tried to do what I could, got back on the road to get back to the office, grabbed me some tools, and then I tightened this up, and then I was able to grab this right here so the whole thing would spin together. So once I did that, it's been shifting up and down like a dream now. I looked for videos, I looked for any kind of information that said anything about it. There was nothing that I could see. So if this is anybody's fix out there, it's a really easy fix, but that's what I did. I just tightened this up so it gripped this this little piece in the middle a lot easier.